Okay, so you all are welcome back to another session of the ICE KYC. So what you all should pay attention to is what I'm going to be doing today. Without wasting much time, go over to your Play Store and search for ICE. This is the ICE app. Install the latest update and then tap the open button. Alright, so welcome to my own dashboard. What I'm going to do right now is to tap on the new mining session, to begin a new mining session. So I'll tap on this, then we have this notification pop up here. So it says verify your account using your existing X profile. So this is actually the KYC step 2 for ICE. KYC step 2 for ICE, which is the social verification. So what you're going to do is for you to click on this button that says continue. So I'm going to tap on that right now. Here it has a bunch of information. Okay, then you are given an example here whereby you can click on this to see sample. So when you click on this to see sample, you're going to see this. Alright, so this is what you're going to do to achieve progress. So we have steps here. We have the step 1. Okay, it says open your X and search for ICE_blockchain account. Step 2, it says find the pinned post, which is the first post on the profile. Then number 3, it says here that you should tap on this. Okay, so it says like and repost it with quote using the exact text below. Now here are the texts. Okay, so you're meant to copy this. So you're meant to tap on this now to copy. You're meant to tap on this to copy. So you're going to tap here to copy this bunch of text here. You're going to use it to quote and repost on Twitter, which is known as X right now. So without wasting much time, let's tap on the copy to copy the text. So I've copied, then I'm going to tap on continue. Tap on continue. Then it says confirmation. Did you like the pin post? And so I'm going to go over to my X. This is X. So over here I'm going to search for ICE_blockchain. Here I have it. Okay, so here I have the pin post. So I'm going to click on like. This is the like icon. This is the repost icon. So tap on like, then tap on the second icon to quote. So I'm going to tap on this quote, okay, with the text I have copied. So I'll quote and paste that which I copied. Alright, so those bunch of text which I copied from the ICE mining application, I'm going to paste it here. Alright, so I'm going to tap on the repost button at the top here. Repost. Okay, so I'm done reposting. So right now that I'm done reposting, what I'm going to do next is for me to go over to my profile. Here I have my profile here. This is my profile picture. So I'll tap on my profile, tap here, go over to my profile. So I'll scroll. Now the first post on my profile is this. So I'm going to tap on this share button to copy the link. Tap on this share button to copy the link. Okay, tap on share, then copy link. Copy the link. Then I'll go over to the ICE mining application. Okay, tap on ICE again. So I'll come over here and tap this mining session again. Tap on it. Continue. Then I'll click continue here. Okay. So continue. So it says confirmation. Did you like the pinned post and repost it with a quote using the exact text provided as in the example? I'm going to click on confirm. Confirm here also stands for yes. So I'll click on confirm here. Then over here I'm going to paste that link which I copied from Twitter. Okay, I'm going to copy the link. Okay, copy the link, then come over here and then paste it. Okay, so I'm done pasting. Then I'll click on the verify here, tap on verify and click confirm again. Okay, confirm. So let's see what is gonna pop up next. Good, so it says verification completed. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your KYC step 2. You are now verified. So congratulations to me, I'm verified now. So I'm going to click on this continue button. Continue, and my new mining session has begun again. And currently I am mining at 20 ICE coin per hour. I'm mining at 20 ICE coin per hour. Alright, so if I don't get back to continue my mining within the next 24 hours, I'm going to start losing by 60 ICE coin every 1 hour. So make sure to take your ICE mining seriously and make sure to do your KYC step 1 and your KYC step 2. It's as simple as that. You all are welcome. Make sure to hit that follow button and subscribe for more videos like this. We're going to be talking more on how to do other things on the ICE and other free crypto mining applications, which you can see on my home page here. I have different folders for them. Okay, so while you are here on this page, on this channel, you are going to learn how to go around all these other free crypto mining applications. You all are welcome. Like this video, share to your community, share to all those individuals which you invited to this very project, and let them watch the video to the very end, and they are going to do their KYC appropriately. If you don't do your KYC appropriately, it will be denied, and once it's denied, you have to wait for another 7 days before you can carry out the KYC again. So make sure to be careful while doing your KYC. It's as simple as that. You all are welcome. See you on the next one.